Hi, my name is Teresa Agustinelli. I am a librarian here at Middlesex County College. During this video, I will be showing you how to evaluate information for class assignments, as well as information that you encounter in your daily life. Here is my thesis statement. Community colleges provide quality educational opportunities to students at a low tuition fee. I can use keywords from this statement for an online search using Google. Here is my search string. I put quotation marks around phrases so those words can appear together in that order, and then I hit the Enter button to search. Google automatically searches for all of your terms, so there is no need to put the word "and" between search terms. The first result on the page is not necessarily the best result. Top results are often advertisements or sites that have the most links, such as Wikipedia. As I scroll through my results, I see an article that looks interesting. Before I use this article for my research, I will evaluate it using an adaptation of the CRAP test from Merion Library at Chico State University. The first piece of information I look for is the author. If I can't find an author's name listed, I don't use the information. In the case of this article, it was written by Alan Kaufman, chair of the NJEA Higher Education Committee. To learn more about NJEA, I can click on the About link at the top of the page to learn about their mission, history, and more. It is usually a good sign if you see an About or About Us page on a website, since that will allow you to see more information about the people responsible for the content of that website. Web addresses include what's called a domain name. This particular address has a domain of .org, which stands for organization. Other domains include .com for commercial, .edu for education, .gov for government, and .mil for military. The type of domain doesn't necessarily guarantee that the information on that site will be good or bad. It just provides information that will help you to evaluate the content of a site. Currency. I see that this article was published on February 1st, 2019, which is just a few months ago. If I was looking for information about the history of community colleges, I would not be concerned about finding the most current information. The publication date for an entire website may not indicate when each individual article on that site was published. Relevancy. This article answers questions from my thesis statement, and it's written at a level appropriate for my needs. My assignment said I may include at least one internet source as well as sources found in library databases, so this is a source that I would consider using. Accuracy. The text of this article is free from spelling and grammatical errors. I see that there are people leading this organization who possess education degrees and are working in the field of education. I will look at a variety of sources to verify the accuracy of the contents of this article. Purpose. The purpose of this article seems to be to inform and persuade others about the benefits of free tuition for community colleges. Bias is when someone possesses certain beliefs that may make them favor one side of an issue. Since the author of this article is affiliated with an educational organization, I imagine they will have a bias towards valuing education. Since I want to gain a balanced perspective about the issues discussed in this article, I will also look at other sources from authors with different points of view. After evaluating this article, I have decided to include this resource in my research. During this video, I have covered the basics of evaluating information. For more help on this topic, contact a librarian.